For so many reasons, you may not have access to Facebook Marketplace. If you are getting the error that Facebook Marketplace is not available for you, then here are a few steps that you can take to make sure that you can gain access. Okay, so if you are getting the notification that Marketplace is not available for you, there could be a few reasons why, and I'm going to show you what they are, and then I'm also going to show you how you could possibly fix it. So first of all, we need to understand that you need to be 18 years and older to have access to Marketplace on your mobile device as well as your web browser. Okay, so whichever app you're using, whichever device you're using, you'll need to be 18 years or older. One of the other things that you can do is to check if this is incorrect. Let's go up to our profile picture on the right hand side. Let's look for settings and privacy, and then settings. Here you all see on the left hand side account center, and once you go into account center, you'll actually be able to go to personal details, and within personal details you'll be able to actually change your date of birth. So you go in here, you click on edit, and you can change your date of birth. Now this should only be done if you really are older than 18 and that this date of birth is in fact incorrect when it was entered previously. Let's go out of here. The next thing that we can do is find the help center. Okay, so if you just dial in facebook.com/help, you'll actually find a bunch of things just like this, articles on different sections on Facebook. So this article is who can use Facebook Marketplace. You can actually see a bunch of this information and you should read through it. So here could be one of the reasons why your Facebook Marketplace is not accessible. One of the other things is if you are in a region that does not have access to Facebook Marketplace, this could also be one of the other options. If this is all not working, if you're using your mobile device, go into your App Store or your Play Store and make sure that you're updating the app to the latest version. That will always help. And then additional to that, if you're on your browser, you can go up to the top right hand side, hit these three dots over here, and then you are going to your settings right here at the bottom. We can go in here and we can dial in our cache, and here we can go to delete browsing data and our history, our cookies, and our cache and more. Let's go in here. Here you can see that you can just remove the browsing history, the cookies and other data site, and just leave this one checked, and then just make sure that this is all time, and you can go and click on delete data. Now once you've done this, it'll sort of allow a bit of a reset, and then you will be able to hopefully access Marketplace. Once you have done this, and you can now then just refresh your page, or you can close Google Chrome and then open it up again, and then you should be able to access Marketplace. Now if all of this fails, right, what you can actually do is right over here, you'll be able to access their help center. Let's go back to our Facebook page now, and you will see on the right hand side, we're going to go back into this menu and go down to help and support. And we already visited the help center. So this is the help center. What we want to go do is either the support inbox, or we want to report a problem. Now report the problem will probably get you there quicker. And here you can just select something went wrong. You can also click on include in report. So this will just take some screenshots and some logs, and you can then just say allow, and you can now enter your information. So you can choose the area of which your issue is in this place it's Marketplace. Add as much detail as possible. You can also add additional screenshots and then click on submit. You will then receive support from a Facebook representative to help you gain access to Marketplace. I hope this was helpful.